Bank of Japan came out today. They are jumping onto the easing bandwagon. So what's happening? Well, it's pushing up gold as we have this race to debase. I'm here with Keith Bliss from Cachone, and as a result, you know, why would you want to be in stocks when you could just jump over to gold? It's pretty stable. It seems like it's just going to keep going up and up.
It is, and there are a lot of estimates from some of the pros that say that gold will be $2,000 an ounce by the end of the year. So you might be able to still get some return out of that. Although we are getting at lofty levels, getting towards overbought levels where you might be chasing return a little bit in here. People will be in equities because they have to be in equities. It's still over time one of the safest investments, and we can't ignore the fact that the S&P is up 16% this year since the beginning, just really on no fundamental news, but basically what's been happening with the central banks around the world.
We were just talking about September. You know, when we were back in August, everybody was like, oh, September, bad stuff happens in September. Get out before September. Here we are on the 18th. Now the market's not doing a lot today, but it's looking increasingly like we're not going to get that 10% decline that people thought we were.
Yeah, as you're pointing out, as you're alluding to, September is usually a very bad month. People remember about October because of the notable crashes that we've had there, but September is usually a bad month. We're not going to see that this year. This clearly has been a market in 2012 where you don't fight the Fed or the central banks, they trump all. And also, we follow a pretty reliable quantitative indicator. We followed it for years, and we've picked up a momentum signal inside of that indicator, which tells us that the market should move higher from here, at least through the end of September. So you're right, we're not going to see that this year. We'll move into October. That's where we may see the 10% correction that everybody's expecting.
All right, well, there was $20 billion in outflows out of stock equity funds in August. Unfortunately for those people, they're going to miss this move in September because they got out. Doesn't look like it might not happen this month, but we'll keep you on guard for next month.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to
enter in a new stage of test.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings.